Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Craftsman 17 RFAC 0910 turn mower. This mower features a 50-inch cutting deck, which may be smaller than other options on this list but should be large enough for any residential yard. Plus, the deck is versatile for different types of grass. You can adjust the cutting height between 1.25 and 3.75 inches. While the Z550 isn't the largest or most powerful zero-turn mower available, it's a great mid-range option for a great value. Along with quality Craftsman construction, it has a reliable 24 horsepower Kohler engine. The zero-turn riding mower provides the ultimate mowing experience. Its strong 24 horsepower twin-cylinder engine has an easy and reliable starting system with no prime, no choke, and it features a 46-inch steel deck. Equipped with sleek new frame design, a dual-range hydrostatic transmission and high-back seating for optimum support and comfort, it provides an exceptional ride as you power through the lawn with its zero-turn radius. Number 2 in this best zero-turn lawn mowers list is Husqvarna Z254 zero-turn riding mower. With the Z254 zero-turn mower, Husqvarna lives up to its reputation as one of the most trusted lawn mower brands. This model features a 26 horsepower Kohler engine that starts and runs smoothly. Its speed maxes out at 6.5 miles per hour, which isn't the most impressive for a zero-turn mower but has plenty to get through a typical lawn quickly. The brand's patented park brake activates or deactivates on its own when you shift the lap bars inward or outward. Their air induction technology in the mower deck ensures a clean cut. The Z254 can dispose of grass clippings through mulching, bagging, or discharging, although you'll have to purchase a mulching kit and bagger separately. Cutting-edge design, proven performance and innovative features combine to make lawn maintenance an event instead of a chore. Featuring a 54 inches reinforced steel cutting deck, the Z254 mower is powered by a 26 horsepower Kohler engine. Plus, an innovative, maintenance-free transmission makes this an easy mower to own, season after season. Look no further for your next turf cutting machine. Our third choice is Husqvarna MZ61 zero-turn riding mower. This time with the commercial-grade MZ61 model. The Husqvarna MZ61 has a wide cutting deck and powerful Briggs & Stratton engine for large jobs. The Husqvarna MZ61 has a comfortable high-back seat, armrests, and vibration dampeners. You should be able to work comfortably for hours with this mower. Like other Husqvarna mowers, it also features a hydrostatic transmission for easier starting. This mower can discharge, bag, or mulch grass clippings, but again, mulching and bagging attachments are sold separately. The MZ61 zero-turn mower from Husqvarna takes performance, productivity and comfort to a whole new level. The intuitive operator interface, heavy-duty steel frame and commercial-rated hydraulic system create the ultimate mowing experience. With a rugged fabricated steel deck that is mulch and collection capable, the MZ is practical for all of your property maintenance needs. The high-back seat with armrests and adjustable ergonomic steering levers will provide a comfortable ride time after time. Individual, hydraulic wheel drive provides very precise maneuvering, and allows the mower to rotate around its own axis, without any turning radius. Husqvarna zero-turn mowers will elevate your comfort in several key ways. Let's watch more.
Known for performance and reliability, Husqvarna is proud to present the MZ Series Zero-Turn Mower. Discover a superior level of performance with all the power you need to take on your toughest mowing conditions. The MZ Series rugged construction features an oversized welded chassis with heavy-duty front casters, commercial-rated hydrostatic drive system, and premium engine options that provide reliable power with higher ground speeds and zero-turn maneuverability. The rugged MZ Series fabricated steel deck is available in 48, 54, and 61 inches, with a convenient spring-assisted deck lift system that enables you to get the high-performance fabricated deck into position quickly. With easy access and a built-in deck wash system, service is quick and convenient. With its premium soft cushion stitch seat with spring suspension, an intuitive operator interface, and large tires for added comfort, the MZ Series delivers a smooth ride on any terrain. The MZ Series also provides your choice of versatile bagger and mulch kit attachments. Discover a superior level of mowing performance with the MZ Series from Husqvarna.
Fourth pick in this best zero-turn lawn mowers list is Ariens Icon XD zero-turn mower. This mower features durable steel construction and a 60-inch deck. This zero-turn mower improves on other top-of-the-line Ariens models in several ways. It has a 5-gallon fuel tank suited for long jobs. The Apex also moves faster at 8 miles per hour. The Apex features a Kawasaki V-twin engine. That isn't necessarily better or worse than the Kohler engine featured in many similar mowers, but rather a matter of user preference. With a solid tubular frame and a wide range of cutting sizes, the Icon XD brings power and flexibility to all yard sizes. 4-inch deep, fully fabricated with advanced airflow for an exceptional cutting performance. The plush, high back seat featuring padded armrests is adjustable from the operator position, providing superior comfort while mowing. It has more than enough power and cuts good and is a comfortable ride. The only thing I wish for is a little more adjustment in the seat. Our fifth and last choice is Husqvarna Z254F zero-turn mower. With the Z254F zero-turn mower, Husqvarna lives up to its reputation as one of the most trusted lawn mower brands. This model features a 26 horsepower Kohler engine that starts and runs smoothly. Performance and style hit the grass running with the Z200 series of zero-turn mowers. Don't let a slower, less powerful riding mower hold you back from taking your lawn maintenance to the next level. Featuring a 23 horsepower engine, the Z254F zero-turn boasts plenty of turf cutting muscle. Use the convenient deck lift to get the 54 inches clear cut deck in position, and you're off to the races. An ergonomic control panel and anti-slip foot area make mowing intuitive and safe. Let's watch more.